Can you see me?
Yes, miss.
But I'm sure the camera is not really good. That's why I just use my ring light to give a bright. Okay, so are you in your bedroom now?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Hanna, how are you? I have to repeat again to greet you. How are you?
Good, miss.
Oh, I love to hear your voice. You've grown up now. Oh, so Hanna, what grade are you?
I'm grade 5.
And tell me more about your school, your friends, and how do you think living in Batam? So you have to repeat again. Okay.
My friend is good. Then my teacher always teaching well. Then I can study well.
Well, you can study well too. So how about your score there? I mean, like your rank? Is that really matter for you about the rank?
I don't know.
You don't know. Well, it's not really a big deal about the rank, right? As long as you can communicate as well with your friends, with your teachers. That is a very valued things you have at school. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, so how about living in Batam? Tell me, I never go there. I wanted to go there one day.
Living in Batam is so fun. And the view is good.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it's also good.
Oh, so what is the most interesting place you love to visit there?
I think PCS Mall.
PCS Mall? Okay, sounds great. And how about, I heard that you've been traveled to some countries, right? Now I want to know about your travel. Why do you like traveling?
I like traveling because I can see a good view. I can taste food in another country.
Yeah.
Then I can hear people to speak another language.
Exactly. That's why now you can speak English pretty fluent, I guess. How do you struggle on it?
I can speak English because I always see a video about English language.
Okay.
And I also read English storybook.
Wow, that's cool. And also, you speak English at school?
Yes.
Yes, so you are in an international school in Batam?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool then. So, Hanna, now you didn't go to school, did you?
Yes, because I examination is home.
Okay, so you're still studying for home or from home? I mean, like a virtual classroom?
Go to school start from tomorrow.
Okay, start for tomorrow? So means you haven't been at school since that day?
No.
No. Okay. Do you think it's boring to be at home?
I think, yeah.
Yeah. You can't meet your friends, but you still talk to them, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yes. Hanna, do you still remember the kids song when you were little? What's your favorite song?
I want to remember.
How about this song? Five Little Fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you start to sing that song? We sing together. 3, 2, 1. Go.
5 little fingers.
Tap, tap, tap. It starts from one little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Put your finger up, put your finger down. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. I still remember that you used to love that song, and then you started to like move your body and then show me your fingers. Okay. And what do you like anyway to do in your free time?
I like to
Sing.
drawing maybe.
And also you like dancing.
Yeah, I like dancing.
I think you were a pro dancer.
Not too.
Do you have a dancing class?
Now not.
Okay. Because of the pandemic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay then. But your movement is really good. You are cool in dancing. I saw some of videos that your mom uploaded on social media, and then I was like amazed. Really? This Hanna? Oh my god. That's why I really want to talk to you and ask your mom to just have a time with me that I can call you through the video call, and thanks for that, and then tell that I'm so really appreciate your time and your mom too. And any plan to at least have a trip to Sibolga?
I don't think.
You don't think you will never come back here, so when do we meet then?
Next time?
Maybe next time? Maybe next time. Or maybe I can come to you, right? So you can take me around the cities.
Yes.
Yes. And anyway, is your mom running a salon?
Yes.
Oh, that's really fit her, since she likes doing her hair and doing the woman stuff. I think it's really fit her, and you do. And I remember your aunt. Does she live with you?
No.
No. Where does she live?
My aunt lives in Medan.
Medan. And how often do you see her?
When February.
February? Why it must be February?
I think March or December.
Oh, I see. Okay, I think it's a holiday time, right? Yes. And anyway, Hanna, you're still young and your English is good. And now I really want you to tell, mostly advise or motivate other people at the same age as you to keep up on their English.
We need to study English and don't give up. And then always watching an English video.
So yeah,
And
immerse yourself into English environment, right?
yes,
Do you still go to English course or something?
yeah, I still.
Oh yeah, still. So what grade are you there?
I don't remember.
Don't really remember. Oh, ouch. Okay, since you are now in your bedroom, now let's give me a tour of your bedroom.
Okay.
Okay.
My bedroom is not too tight.
It's okay. That's pretty common.
I just got in my bedroom, so I have a Moana's doll,
Ooh, Marnez, you love her?
and I have another doll, and then I also have like this, just like the bed.
Okay, that's your bed. Yes. So you sleep alone.
No.
No. So?
I sleep with my mom.
You sleep with your mom in your bedroom?
Yeah, because I think my mom wants to sleep with me.
Oh, I see. Where's your dad?
My dad sleeps alone.
Your dad sleeps alone. Oh my gosh.
I can't sing Moana's song, but I like Moana's movie.
Oh, you like Moana's movie, but can't sing a little bit. That's all?
Yeah.
Yeah. I kinda don't believe it, because you probably being shy or something.
Yeah, I don't know, and I'm shy.
Okay, that's fair enough. Well, the last questions, Hannah. I still wonder about your life, about your, independently living, because you are only the one child that your mom have, right? And you grown up now being mature enough, I guess, and independently. So, what do you think you're gonna do in the future?
In the future, I think I'm gonna make a business, like out of business, have like a restaurant business, or I'm just gonna be an artist. I think I wanna be artist.
Artist, cause you like painting.
I like to like acting like that.
Acting. Okay.
But I can do it, but I'm shy.
Okay, let's being a nice girl.
Oh, nice girl. Hi everyone. They're so pretty like that.
Oh, thank you. You're pretty too. Alright then, Hannah. So, Hannah, thank you so much. You got my number, okay? So you can feel free to text me every time you want to. Let's keep in touch, okay? Because I always hope that we can build a good connections. And don't forget to just check on my YouTube channel, and then I'm gonna upload this video later on there. And then if you haven't subscribed, you have to make sure you subscribe on it. Okay. Okay, Hannah, thank you so much for your time today. Wish you have a good day. Send my greeting to your mom. Alright. Bye-bye, Hannah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.